Hey, it's Denise with Luxury Travel Adventures, and I am here at Eagles Crag Lodge in Shamwari Private Game Reserve in South Africa, and this is suite number 5. Come and take a look. These are all freestanding structures, so it's not a suite like you think of in a hotel. It's all freestanding structures, and Eagles Crag is one of 8 lodges here at Shamwari Private Game Reserve. And it is for customers age 16 and older. I mean, it gets a lot of, this particular lodge, Eagles Crag, gets, of course, a lot of adults and a lot of honeymooners and couples. The bed could be a king bed, or it could be set up as 2 twins as it is here. It could be split. There is plenty of storage here. I'm not going to open that up because I've got all my stuff in there. But it has your robe, your slippers, a safe, like all the things that you need. There is a work station if you actually need to work. They do have Wi-Fi here, and there's plenty of plug, different outlets, different kinds of plugs. It will accommodate different kinds of plugs, a USB, USB-C, and this is a beautiful soaking tub, a room just for the soaking tub. You've got a nice living room. It is common in African safari camps and lodges to not have a TV in your room. There is no TV in your room here. If you want a TV, they do have one in the billiards room. There is a mini bar set up with espresso machine and electric kettle. There is coffee for your tea, or there is milk for your tea or your coffee, as well as fresh lemon if you like lemon in your tea. There are some snacks in here. I'm not going to pull out the drawers, but again, really nice setup if you want to do something for yourself. And in the bathroom, you have your water closet. You have a shower as well as an outdoor shower, which I'll show you from again, the outside. And then you've got a really, really nice double vanity sink, hair dryer, again, multiple plugs, and really nice Healing Earth toiletries. So let's take a look at the outdoor space. These all come with their own private heated plunge pool, and it's like a pretty good size, as you could see. So loungers, umbrella, heated plunge pool, little table out here if you want to have a drink, and the outdoor shower. So here's the regular shower, and then you come outside to the outdoor shower. So this is Eagles Crag at Shamwari Private Game Reserve.